As you may know, Global Horizons Inc. has recently merged with an international partner that has offices in China, Germany, and Argentina. Due to this transition, it is vital that the employees of Global Horizons Inc. become familiar with cultural competence, be aware of why it matters, and know ways to use it to communicate effectively across cultures, encouraging an inclusive workplace. Cultural competence is a concept that is used to describe the ability to understand, interact, and communicate effectively with people from different cultural backgrounds. Cultural competence is important for employees throughout the global workplace to understand because it encourages efficient workplace culture, supports employees of all backgrounds, and allows all employees to feel they have a voice in their company. There are many ways to ensure effective cross-cultural communication. This means learning about the cultural backgrounds, values, and communication styles of other employees. Stereotypes and bias are common. One of the most important aspects of understanding cultural competence is avoiding these assumptions, and instead approach each interaction with curiosity and respect. Recognize that norms around eye contact, gestures, tone, and personal space can vary widely. This is the idea that employees should listen attentively and confirm understanding by paraphrasing or asking clarifying questions. Being patient with language differences and avoiding interrupting are important steps in ensuring comfort in a company transition. Encourage open dialogue where others feel comfortable expressing themselves, even if they communicate differently. This is important because being mindful of tone and nonverbal cues allows for a message that aligns with intent, leaving no room for misinterpretation. Avoid idioms, jargon, or slang that may not translate well across cultures. Using straightforward language and visual aids, when possible, reinforces meaning and better establishes clear communication. With these three ideas in mind, and focusing on how to maintain a high level of cultural competence in your workplace, remember that effective cross-cultural communication is an ongoing process. It requires self-awareness, openness, and a willingness to learn from others. At Global Horizons Inc., our goal is to build a work environment where every team member, no matter their background, feels valued, respected, and heard. By developing cultural awareness, practicing active listening, and using clear and inclusive language, we can strengthen collaboration, enhance productivity, and create a truly global team culture.